Hi, so now we're going to do step 3A of the step-by-step reading program. Everyone gets a little container of magnetic alphabet letters. They're in beautiful colors, and I have spray painted all the vowels black, and I have spray painted the G and the C silver, and you'll see why when we go through this. So you're going to see in your scope and sequence under step 3, you have 10 minutes. Every time you do it, it's going to tell you what letters to be doing. If the student struggles with the set of letters, you can repeat it up to 3 days, and then you want to move on to the next set of letters. Also, in your teacher guide, which looks like, well, your teacher guide, you have your instructions, which will help guide you. So for the first day, we're going to be doing P, B, T and D. I like teaching those together. C and K, G and F. So those are your the ways that you are going to know what to do. You're also going to be writing them under step 3, where you're going to say set 1 or set 2, okay? And if you need to repeat it, you're just going to say set 1, set 1, set 1. You could just say, it's really easy to do your lesson planning that way. So how we start, we put all of our vowels in a column, and we say the short sound with our student: a, e, I, a. We're going to start with the P, and we're going to maintain the short vowel sound, and we're going to use our hand and model for our student how he or she needs to use his hand or her hand. Pa, ap, pe, ep, pi, ip, pa, up, pa, up. And then you set it aside unless your student is doing it themselves. Also, your student might have their own alphabet letters, and they can do it next to you while you get it started. So we'll do the B. Ba, ab. Anytime you think your student can take over, you can go ahead and let them. So you could ask them, you ready to take over? And then let's see if they can do it without you needing to model. If they can do the sounds correctly without you modeling it, then you can do the next set the next day. So depending on how much time you have for 10 minutes, you're going to go through the D and the F and the K. The C and the G are spray painted silver. So what you're going to do, take the E and the I away, because they're going to learn this a little later, but you're going to say ka, ak, ka, ak, ka, ak. You're going to do the hard sounds with the C and the J first. Ga, ag, ga, og, ga, ug. Then you're going to learn this and teach this to them later during the mini lessons, but we tell them that the C and the G have a soft sound when they're followed by the E and the I. So this would be se, this would be si, this would be je, and this would be j. So that's going to be a little bit later. We're going to learn that with the mini lesson, and that's how we do step 3A with our alphabet letters.